Welcome to your ultimate Dubai adventure. I'm Shabs, your travel guide. Get ready for an unforgettable journey through Dubai's top sights and delicious cuisine.
5-day Dubai itinerary plus food journey. Day 1, modern Dubai and skyscrapers. Morning, visit Burj Khalifa, world's tallest building. Explore Dubai Mall, aquarium, shopping, fountain show. Afternoon, lunch, Al Fanar restaurant. Try Makbou's spiced rice with meat fish. Evening, Dubai fountain show and stroll around Souk Al Bahar. Dinner, Arabian tea house, shawarma, and lukimat sweet fried dumplings. Day 2, Old Dubai and cultural exploration. Morning, explore Al Fahidi Historical District. Cross the creek on an Abra, wooden boat. Afternoon, visit Golden Spice Souks in Dera. Lunch, Al Ustad Special Kebab, famous Iranian kebabs loved by locals. Evening, creekside dining at Beit Al Wakil Samak Mashwi grilled fish. Day 3, desert safari adventure. Morning, relax or do a yacht ride at Dubai Marina. Afternoon tonight, head out for desert safari, dune bashing, camel ride, sandboarding. Dinner in the desert, traditional Emirati BBQ buffet, haris, grilled meats, falafel, kunafa for dessert. Day 4, Palm Jumeirah and luxury Dubai. Morning, visit Atlantis, the Palm and Aquaventure water park. Afternoon, lunch, Ayamna at Atlantis. Hummus, metzi platters, mixed grill. Evening, sunset at Jumeirah Beach with Burj Al Arab view. Dinner, pier chic, seafood with stunning views. Day 5, leisure and shopping. Morning, visit Dubai Miracle Garden, seasonal Oct-Apper. Or spend time at Global Village, international food plus culture. Afternoon, lunch, Ravi restaurant, Pakistani Emirati fusion loved by locals, try chicken karahi. Evening, last-minute shopping at Mall of the Emirates or City Walk. Dinner, lagma, balalit, sweet vermicelli with egg, Emirati breakfast dish but also served all day. If you like the video, hit like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more updates and follow for more.